A very good morning, everyone. Miss Rita here. Children, today in Maths of class 6, we are going to see chapter number 10, Equation, practice set number 26. So, equation. Definition for equation is if there are equal weight in both pans of a weighing scale, then the scale is balanced. Such a balanced scale is like a equation. This is weighing scale. So here left hand side, this is the right hand side. If both are balanced, then we can say it is equation. For example, left hand side is 70 minus 2 is how much, student? 15. The right hand side it is given 5 multiplied by 3 is how much? 15. Both the answers are same. So here we can say 70 minus 2 is equal to 5 multiplied by 3. So left hand side is equal to right hand side. After that, variable. Now what is variable? Student, definition for variable is in an equation, a letter is something used in the place of a number is called variable. For example, alphabet which we use is called variable. In 3M, M is variable. After this equation, that particular value of the variable which make both the side of equal sign in the equation equal is called the solution of the equation. For example, x minus 2 equal to 7, 4x equal to 20 means left hand side is 4x and right hand side is 20, which both are equal, which form the equation with the help of variable. For example, in a weighing pen, left hand side is given x plus 3 equal to 8. So what will be the value of x? Become 8. 5 plus 3 is how much? 8. So value of x will be 5. After this we will start. We will see the properties of a equality. This property you have to write in your maths notebook. If the same number is added to both sides of an equality, sum so obtained are equal. If two sides of a given equality are multiplied by the same number, the product so obtained are also equal. If same number is subtracted from the two sides of an equation and the difference so obtained are equal. If the two sides of an equality are divided by the same number, then the quotient so obtained are equal. It means there are two sides, left hand side and right hand side. Both the sides, if we add, subtract, multiply or divide and we get the same answers, it's called equality. These are the properties of equality. You have to write in the maths notebook. Now children, we'll start the practice set number 26. Question is given, different mathematical operations are given in the two rows below. Find out the number you get in each operation that makes equation. First of all, we will see the answer of this. 16 divided by 2, how much, student? 8. 5 2s are 10. 9 plus 4 is how much? 13. 72 divided by 3 is how much? 24. 4 plus 5 is how much? 9. 8 3s are 24. 90 minus 10 is how much? 9. 10 minus 2 is how much? 8. 37 minus 27 is how much? 10. 6 plus 7 is how much? 13. Now we will make the pair of this equation. So our answer is first 16 divided by 2 we got the 8, and which one we got the 8 answer? 10 minus 2. These two are equal. Second we got 5 into 2 is 10, and 37 minus 27 is also 10. So left hand side is equal to the right hand side. The third one is 9 plus 4 is how much? 13, and which we got the 13 answer? 6 plus 7. The fourth one we got 72 divided by 3 is 24, and 8 3 is also 24. And the fifth one is 4 plus 5 is 9, 90 minus 10 is also 9. So here what we have done? We have taken that number which have the same answer. Right side, one is left side. I hope you have understood. And thank you for watching this video.